In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion. If you're looking for an efficient way to organize your documents, this is the perfect solution for you. By the end of this guide, you'll have a dynamic and highly customizable system that will simplify document handling and boost productivity. Let's start with the foundation, creating a new database. Open your Notion workspace and select an area where you want to build your document management system. Once you're there, click to add a new page or section, where you'll set up this system. Choose the database option so you can tailor it to fit your needs perfectly. A database is invaluable for keeping your documents organized and easily accessible. Within your new database, you'll need to set up specific properties to categorize and manage your documents effectively. Start by adding a file type property. This will allow you to label each document with its format, whether it's a PDF, a Word document, or any other type of file. Next, add an owner property, which will help you keep track of who is responsible for each document. Finally, include a last updated property. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your documents are always up to date, and you'll know exactly when changes were last made. Now that your basic structure is established, the next step is to populate this database. Add links to your key documents here. By using links rather than direct uploads, you ensure that your database remains lightweight and more manageable. It also means that any changes you make to the document outside Notion will automatically be reflected here. To enhance organization within your document management system, consider adding custom tags. Tags offer a layer of customization that allows you to sort and filter documents based on specific criteria, such as project relevance or urgency. These tags can be incredibly versatile, catering to your personal and professional needs. Once your database is filled with documents and neatly organized with tags, it's time to explore different views of your documents. Notion offers a variety of ways to visualize your data. You might find a Kanban board view helpful for tracking document progress or collaborative projects. Simply drag and drop documents into different columns as they move through your workflow. For time-sensitive documents, a calendar view enables you to track deadlines and plan your weeks or months ahead, providing a timeline of activity. There you have it, a comprehensive document management system right within Notion, tailored to help you maintain control over your documents with ease. Feel free to explore the multitude of additional features Notion offers, allowing you to adapt this system specifically to your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and don't hesitate to customize each step to tailor it to your unique requirements.